little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're celebrating something special because we're going to draw a birthday cake.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's begin. First, let's start by drawing the plate for our cake. We're going to draw a rectangle with rounded corners at the bottom. Now let's draw the first layer of our cake. It's a rectangle right on top of the plate. Now let's add the second layer of the cake, but this one will be a little smaller. Awesome! What's a birthday cake without a candle, right? Let's draw a candle right on top of the second layer. Now, let's give our cake some personality. Let's draw two cute eyes on the top layer, and don't forget a big, happy mouth. But wait, we want our whole cake to look fun. Let's draw another set of cute eyes and a smiling mouth on the bottom layer too. Look at that! Our birthday cake is looking super cute and friendly.
Yay!
To make our cake really stand out, let's go over all of the lines again and make them bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop. Look how nicely our birthday cake is dancing. But there's one more thing we need to do before it's complete. It's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors. Let's start with red color.
Wow!
Next, we'll use orange color. Orange makes everything bright and cheerful. Now let's add some yellow color. Yellow is like sunshine, making our cake extra happy. Here comes green color. So fresh and fun. Next up is blue color. A calm and cool color for our cute cake. And finally, let's use purple color. This will give our cake a magical touch. Wow! Look at our amazing, colorful birthday cake. You did such a fantastic job today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to keep practicing and share your sweet drawings with everyone. And be sure to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.